Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash hands and power the phone off to avoid static and accidental input. Use a microfiber cloth to remove dust so you can see the scratch clearly. This matters because debris makes polishing worse. Inspect with bright light to decide if it's a surface scratch or a deep gouge. Shallow scratches respond to gentle methods. Deep ones often need professional glass replacement. Once done, set the phone on a soft towel and gather rubbing compound or toothpaste and cotton. You'll apply a pea-sized dab of non-gel toothpaste or a cerium oxide polished to a cotton swab or microfiber pad. These abrasives smooth the tiny edges that scatter light. Rub in slow circular motions for about 30 to 60 seconds with moderate pressure, not forceful, so you remove the scratch layer without cracking the glass. Make sure to wipe with a clean cloth and re-inspect under light. If you see progress, repeat up to 3 times, but stop if the scratch isn't improving. You finish by thoroughly removing residue with a slightly damp microfiber cloth and dry it. Then apply a tempered glass protector to mask minor remaining marks and prevent further abrasion. If at any point touch responsiveness or clarity worsens, make sure to stop polishing immediately. Continued abrasion can damage digitizers and coatings. One key troubleshooting tip: if a scratch is deep or you notice small cracks, accept that home fixes can't safely restore structural glass and seek professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.